Here. All right, here we go.
Well, all right.
Boo! Did that scare you?
Did you see me jump?
Well, Tara has a whole line of Halloween Temp-tations.
Yes.
And we're going to be doing some other cool things coming up in the Halloween decor show at 3 p.m. Tara's going to be back with me. But we've got platters now. Only 4.
That's all that remains.
You have the leaf.
And this is what I love. So this is, I think we're calling this, right, but this has the harvest pattern on it. So what does that mean, David? It's completely sculptural and then hand painted in all graduated colors.
But we call it leaf because it's in the shape of a leaf.
Correct, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And then we have pumpkin because it's in the shape of a pumpkin.
Just gonna say it. You took it right out of my mouth. Then we have a witch's hat.
Because it's in the shape of, you guessed it,
A witch's hat. With buffetti there. And then what did we do?
Spider web.
Because it's in the shape of
a spider web.
By the way, can we brag on the cutie spider with the little witch's hat?
First of all,
I can't.
look how, can we come in tight here, Jude?
Yeah, it's so cute.
She hates spiders.
I hate spiders. I'm actually petrified of them. So I had to make him cute.
He's cute.
He's so cute.
I mean, if I saw that spider in my house with that little hat, I'd be like, where'd you get the hat?
Where you been?
Yeah, I was like, are you here for dinner? Are you going to wear that hat to the dinner table? Because it's hilarious.
Yes, and it's rude to wear a hat at the table, but because you're so cute,
but
I'll
if you're
let
a
you.
cute spider, well, when you're a spider, you can do anything you want to do. Hey, can I tell you that it's also deep?
Yes.
We baked, is this a cake or a cookie?
Yeah, that's a cake.
With the little spider on top.
With the little spider.
Did Carol do that?
I think her team, I think David might have done it for her, but Carol and her team is so
cute.
amazing. And these are those memories and moments that we love. So this platter has been obviously a fan favorite. It's customer top rated. Those of you who have got it home have absolutely loved it because it's still, David, that great stoneware that you can put in the oven up to 500 degrees. So instead of getting out that metal cookie sheet to make your appetizers, go ahead and make it on that beautiful pumpkin platter because you can put it in the oven up to 500 degrees. The dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, the microwave, and they're all sculptural, individually hand painted and beautiful.
I've got some great info for you.
All right, tell me.
Top rated.
Thank you.
That's A. 2, clearance priced.
An X.
And X is no reorder.
That's true. This is retiring.
So it's important to know if you want to get yours, can you imagine for your Thanksgiving dinner table?
This is so
Or
stunning.
maybe for appetizers, you're putting out my pear bruschetta.
Yes, I love your pear bruschetta.
Oh, it's so
No,
good.
truly.
And you could do pumpkin bruschetta with toasted pumpkin seeds on top.
Absolutely gorgeous.
So nice.
Everything's sculptural,
you
David.
You could do all that for how, and if you already have harvest dinnerware,
yes,
lovely.
Yes, and the sculptural harvest is what you're always looking for, so I love that we have
now,
this here.
This one is not the same pattern as pumpkin patch, but if you have pumpkin patch
it'll
at home,
coordinate 100%.
It would coordinate very nicely. And look at this pumpkin platter, really, really
This is,
lovely.
I feel like you all day. This is, and you'd put some flameless candles on here, like I know you would do a whole bunch of things.
I would probably put caramel cheesecake bars.
Oh, we're back to food, right? Add caramel
cheesecake bars.
Or Jimmy the Baker had that pumpkin bread on this.
Pumpkin bread and the
yes, please.
The chocolate chip bread.
This is my fave. I have to admit, the witch's hat. First of all, I love purple, and you're always asking for purple. But I designed it so that you still have that great well there. You still have a nice depth to it. All of these are individually painted, and then you have that carved detail on the inside. And then there's the cobweb. The spider web.
We call this one called a spider web.
Spider web with the cute spider.
Here's the spider web.
With the cute hat.
And the little spider with the cute hat.
But these are retiring. True story.
Now, ordinarily when I see spiders in the house, I'm like, okay, you need to go.
Either I need to be able to kill that spider or I might have to move. Like the thought of having a spider in my house.
But if a spider that cute showed up with a hat like that, I'd be, first question would be, where'd you get the hat? And are you staying for dinner?
Yeah.
Because we're having tacos
And
tonight.
you know my husband, and this is true, will not even kill a fly. So the fact that I'm ready to kill a spider does not go over well in our home.
Because Ed is like,
No, he thinks, no. He's probably right on some level. Can we just talk about this being your beautiful
spider
turkey?
has a mother and a name.
I know.
Yeah,
and a whole family.
And a whole family.
I know. It still scares me to death.
Does Ed say that to you?
He says a lot of things to me.
He reminds you of all that.
He does remind me of all of that, yes. And then I love the fact, again, that you can heat things up right on here. So whether it's just bagels or you have some of those that beautiful cinnamon bread, you can also keep things warm on here, bake it ahead of time, and then bring it right to the table.
Tara and I are much alike in that we get super fired up about things.
Yeah.
And Ed's always the voice of reason.
He's always like, you too. Like,
could you dial it down about 1,000?
He's like, you're about a 10, and I need you at about a 2.
Yeah. Could you bring it down
and
because
you can't imagine that we like play off of one another.
Yeah, no.
Or anything like that.
We don't take energy from each other.
No,
never. Hardly ever. Almost all the time. All right, so this is what it's all about. 1,800 of these are gone. Now let's go through our 4 choices.
Yeah, love.
And this is, I'm just going to hold these up so you can see them. And you
I love
can hand them to me as we go. This is leaf. So I want you to see leaf. And remember, there's no reorder on this. So once it's gone for good. This is leaf. And then we have pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Fewer than 200 in the pumpkin, and it's super orange.
Hey, pumpkin. And then what I love, you have the graduation of all that hand painting, the yellows, the greens. It's not just a blob of this and a blob of that. It's all done beautifully.
Then we have witch's hat.
Oh, my fave. You should put that on.
You know what? It matches my outfit.
I think you'd look really cute. Yes.
Look at this.
Look at him.
This is a social media picture moment.
That is a David Venable hat if I have ever seen one.
It matches my outfit today.
That's why I designed it. I designed it just for that.
And then we've got spider web.
With the cute spider.
I'm really loving the spider web.
I know you are.
And I'm not really big on spiders or webs, but this is super cute. Don't miss out on this opportunity. 2,200 of these are gone now, Miss Tara. There's no reorder on these.
No, there's not.
When they're gone, they're going to be gone for good, which is why we marked them down to a low clearance price. You're saving 30% off the regular QVC price.
The fact that these are all hand painted and large and oversized, it's a phenomenal value.
Nobody leaves their house and says, I need to buy a Halloween platter today. Yeah. No one puts that on the top of their grocery list and says, I need to pick up a Halloween platter at the grocery store because they don't have them. But Tara
Some
does.
might say this could be my hat. Mom's the word. Mom's the word. Hey, we got fiber optic candles coming up first at 3 p.m. Don't miss it.
Halloween candles. We need to be very clear.
Thank you.
Because it's Halloween decor at 3
Pumpkin
o'clock.
patch, harvest, and buffetti.
It's going to be super fun.
I'm excited.
Is Frankie going to be in our show too?
And Little Mummy.
And Little Mummy.
And we're going to debut our newest character.
And, oh, there's a new character. And there's also a new item coming up in 3 o'clock.
Yes, there is.
And it's something that many of you collect.
And that's where you'll see the new character. Stay tuned. Must See TV.